Okay, in this problem, we want to, following is the BP data for a patient over several hours, find the mean BP. And we just got a single value for each one here. And then we got a number of readings. This is still group data. So we want to use our group data spreadsheet. So this is our group data descriptive statistics. So download it first if you haven't got it downloaded. And our first number is 65. Now, when you just have a single number like this, you want to put 65 in both columns, the LCL and the UCL. And our frequency would be 2. And then we got 66, 66, and 52, 70, 70 and 8, 71, 71 and 3, 72, 72 and 4, 73, 73 and 24, 75, 75, 22, 79, 79, 21, 82, 82, 19, 84, 84, and 8. Let me double check myself, because I'm not very good at typing in numbers. I mess up easily. Sorry for the flipping back and forth. Okay, that looks right. So again, if you have a single number here in your group data, then you have to repeat it twice in both of these columns. And then you just put frequency here. Now this problem's asking us to find the mean. And so our answer is going to be right over here in the orange, 73.092, rounded to whatever decimal place.